Getting clients to sign faster is crucial for smooth business operations, and using eSignature tools is a game changer. In this quick 3-minute guide, we'll walk through how to get your clients to sign faster with eSignature tools so you can close deals quicker and improve efficiency. If you've struggled with slow sign-offs or too much paperwork, this will save you time. One of the main reasons clients delay signing is the traditional back and forth with printed forms and emails. With eSignature tools, everything happens online in real time. The software we'll be using today is designed to simplify this process, making it easy for clients to review, sign, and send back contracts in minutes. First, let's talk about the key feature that accelerates the signing process: automated reminders. With eSignature software, you can set automatic reminders for clients to sign, ensuring they don't forget or put it off. This keeps the momentum going and your clients stay engaged. No more chasing down signatures manually. Next, streamline the document preparation. Many eSignature tools let you upload documents and automatically populate them with fields that need signatures, dates, and other necessary information. This eliminates human error and reduces the time clients spend figuring out where to sign, making it a quicker process for them. One of the things that can slow clients down is confusion over how to use the software. To avoid this, make sure the eSignature tool you use is user-friendly. The software we'll be using today is designed with simplicity in mind. It's intuitive and allows clients to sign with just a few clicks. They don't need to download any special apps or log into complex accounts. They can sign right from their email or browser. Another tip to get clients to sign faster is to personalize the signing experience. Customize the signature request emails so they feel personal and are more likely to engage. The tool we're using today allows you to add custom messages and even branding, which makes the process feel more professional and less transactional. It's also important to integrate your eSignature software with other business tools like CRM systems and document storage. This helps with better organization and ensures you have all signed documents in one place, eliminating the need to manually track everything. Finally, security is a top priority for clients, and eSignatures are often more secure than physical signatures. Most eSignature tools use encryption and audit trails, which means the document is safe, and you have a record of the entire signing process, ensuring that nothing can be disputed later. Remember, speed is key. By using eSignature tools, you eliminate unnecessary delays and make the process as quick and easy as possible for your clients. And don't forget, the software we've been using offers an exclusive free trial available only to viewers of my channel. You can find the link to it in the description below. So, here's your key takeaway. Using eSignature tools like the one we discussed today is the best way to get clients to sign faster. Automate reminders, streamline document preparation, simplify the user experience, and prioritize security. To quickly recap, automate signing reminders. Streamline document setup to eliminate errors. Choose easy-to-use, client-friendly software. Personalize the signing experience. Integrate with other business tools. Prioritize security to build trust. And again, don't miss out on the exclusive free trial. Check out the link in the description below and try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.